Today we're gonna make these cookies. They're gluten-free, they're lactose-free, and it's just 4 ingredients. Oh, it's so good. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread and Butter, and today we're gonna be baking up some amazing cookies. I am a big fan of cooking together with my kids. I have 2 boys, so I'm always working on recipes that are quick and easy and fun, and it's just a great way to cook something delicious and spend some time together. Today's cookies are gluten-free and lactose-free for those who have any allergies or intolerances. And this is basically all that you need. We have some almond slices here. The exact recipe with all of the details, as always, is linked below in the description. So I'm gonna be using these today. I have 1 egg, I have a little bit of sugar, I have some salt that's gonna kind of bring everything together and amplify all the flavors. And I have a tiny bit of chicory syrup, but you could basically use any liquid sweetener that you like. All we have to do is mix this all together and bake it. It's that simple. It's ridiculously simple. Now, I just love a recipe when all you need is a spoon and a bowl. It's quite simple. We're gonna send these guys to the oven and bake them until they're gorgeous and golden and brown. That's gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes. You might need to give the tray a spin halfway through, and I'll get back to you with some cookies. These are so good. And again, they're really, really easy to make. You can definitely substitute the almonds for any other nut or any other seeds, but I love it with these little almond slices. So they're super easy to make. They're fun to eat, absolutely delicious. You can totally substitute the almonds for any other nut or seed, but these are definitely my favorite. And again, you can add in some, shredded coconut, some sesame seeds, anything you want. Just the concept. Super easy, super fun. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you gotta try these. Oh, they're so good.